Hi, I'm back.
Just landed in Paris with the Mariann. We're so excited, guys.
We look like we're going like to Hawaii or something.
Okay, guys. So when you walk in, this is the room. We have our luggages sitting here. We have a couch, sitting area. Our bed, our bathroom is there, but Mariann is in there. And then we have our beautiful balcony, tiny balcony, and view. So when you open it, you can actually come out. And this is the view outside, guys. This is a church. She told us the name of it, I forgot. And we have the Eiffel Tower there. Zoom, 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 zoom. Too late to be giving me a new face. See you Say what? How much you want to use? It depends. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Oh my god. Alright. Bet. So we are having dinner at, what's the name of this place?
La Petite Poulette.
Okay, La Petite Poulette. And this is our food, guys. It looks amazing and it smells amazing. This is our food. I have I have tuna, teriyaki tuna, rice. Mariann has chicken
risotto, but we're sharing everything.
Yeah, and then we have bread and some water. Hey guys.
Hi.
We are done eating, so we are finding our way home. Guys, I didn't download our directions, so we are winging it. Actually, wait, is it this way or do we go that way?
Oh my god, I don't know.
Oh my god. Yeah guys, we're getting lost in Paris.
No, it's this way.
Is this way? Okay. So, wish us luck, and then we'll talk to you guys when we get there.
If we get there.
If we get there. Bye. Hey guys, 10 hours later, we still don't know where we are. So, oh boy, it's a blogger thing going on over there. Ooh, that alleyway is cute. Girl, yeah.
You brought that red thing? Oh my god, you're so extra.
Yes.
Alright, let's go.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to day one in Paris. So today we have our breakfast delivered. Let me show you guys. I'm so excited. I can't wait to dive in. Ooh, breakfast. Okay. What do you have, Mariann?
We have the same thing.
Oh, okay.
You gotta do a slow-mo effect.
Okay. We have some fruits here. Evian water. Orange juice for me, grapefruit juice for Mariann. We have bread. Which one is the chocolate? This one?
I don't know. I think it's that. I tried to show it, but it didn't work.
It doesn't open.
Yeah, you gotta pour it out.
Say hi to the people, Mariann.
Hello, good morning. Bonjour.
chocolate is so good, guys. So good. It's like the kind that I would make at home. Look how cute Mariann's dress is, guys.
Thank you. It's from ASOS, guys. It's their holiday collection.
It's from ASOS? Yeah. Yes. Porta potties. Paris style, guys. So you go in here, take a piss, then go wash your hands over there.
Alright guys, Mariann's taking over right now. So we just took photos and I really needed to use the bathroom. So we decided to come here. But there's some like tournament going on and there's a lot of like people who are like rollerblading and all this. So we're definitely in the wrong area and they let us in. We're like the only tourists. But fuck it, right? I'm over here trying to find a French man, specifically an athlete, so this is like the perfect location. But I don't think I'm doing it right, attracting people vlogging. But let's see what I get myself into. Wish me luck. And if you got that single, hit me up. Dad will give them my digits. But I'm looking for 3 things: an older guy, got a job, you gotta be employed,
and an athlete.
And an athlete. Alright, bye!
Hey guys!
Hi,
okay.
I'm back.
So we found another spot. This spot is a lot better than the first one we did. So we changed into our new outfits. Look at Mariann's dress. Serving legs for days. Whoa, you okay? Oh my god.
I was getting too excited for y'all.
So we're probably gonna get some food and do some shopping. So we will see you guys later. Bye. Hey guys, on est à Louis Vuitton maintenant. Let me stop. Guys, we are at Louis Vuitton and we're trying to see if we can buy something today. These are nice. Super nice. Look at the heel. Yes, Louis Vuitton. I wanted those sneakers though. Those take flights home. I feel like I should buy my shoes first. Guys, we are shopping for Chanel.
Not we, you.
I'm so excited. There's a pair of shoes that I wanted.
Guys.
And I wanted to buy it in Paris. So we're gonna go to Chanel. I hope they have it. I'm so excited. Sorry guys, I'm too excited. Okay. Guys, I found the thing that I was looking for. I'm so excited, guys. So excited. I'll show you. You know, I gotta make you wait first because I don't know. Because I want to. But I'm so happy I found my shoes. I have my baby, guys. I'm so excited. Oh, guys, people are everywhere. This is the up over there. People are everywhere, doing everything. So much fun. We are still shopping, guys. I'm so tired. Do I look tired? You can never be tired of shopping. But we're trying to find our way home, actually. I feel like when I look tired, I look mad. I'm not even mad, I'm just tired. He said bonjour. So we are at Patrick Roger. It's like, Mariann told me it's the best chocolate. Okay.
It's so, the Chanel of the chocolate.
Excuse me.
It's like €3 for one piece. That's like $4 for one bite.
Yeah. And then it's like 27 full box, 27 euros, 30 something dollars. Anyways, some of their chocolate is like sourced from like real places, like Haiti and Cuba and Ghana and Sri Lanka. I'll show you guys. Cuba, Haiti. No.
Wait, no?
Hey guys, we are going for dinner.
Hey.
Where are we
I'm
going,
back.
Mariann?
Frenchy Wine Bar. It was something that one of my friends recommended. So we shall see. Deborah doesn't want to drink wine, but she kind of has to since we're going to a wine bar.
What? No.
Tell her, guys. Live a little.
No, let me stop. She's gonna kidnap me and make me drink wine, guys.
Oh, please.
Anyways, oh yeah, there's also food there, guys. So we're gonna eat and drink some red wine like the Frenchies.
Frenches?
The Frenchies.
The French
like
do?
the French do.
Bye.
See ya.
Wouldn't want to be ya.
Hey guys, so the restaurant just opened and there's a 45 minutes wait, but we are,
That's a cute door. I like that blue tone.
yeah. So we are actually waiting, but in the meantime we are taking a stroll around these cute little French streets. Okay, I don't know, this place reminds me of like the Village, Soho.
Not the Village.
I don't know, like I'm getting New York vibes. But anyways, we have Mariann here. She doesn't believe it looks like Soho.
It doesn't. No, not not the West Village. The West Village is like cuter and has like more cafes. It's a little grungy, a little urban.
Okay. Urban.
Urban.
Signing out. Outfit of the day, guys. What am I wearing? Zara sweater, Stuart Weitzman, Chloe. Okay, thank you. Guys, the verdict is the wait was worth it because the food was great. It was amazing. I loved it. And my plate is gone. But I ordered this white chocolate mousse. I cannot wait to go. Yum.